Hello, I'm Ashley O and welcome to the video. Today we are doing some hair care, but first, before we do anything, can we just appreciate this? This cutie little hammock chair. Oh, I'm obsessed with it. This is really just becoming like such a magical corner. Like here, we got the plant. We got a plant up there that you can only kind of see hanging down. I love it, I'm so obsessed with it. So back to the video, like I said, we're doing some hair care. So I feel like anybody that's ever heat styled their hair has definitely had a bad hair day. But I think we can also agree that there's a difference between a bad hair day and realizing how much buildup is in your hair to the point where no matter how much time you spend doing it, it looks disgusting. I have reached that point. A couple days ago, I spent so much time, so much effort doing my hair, and then I looked in the mirror and it looked horrible. And I was just like, ah! It's so infuriating when you spend all that time, you've spent money, you've spent time, you've made effort, and it's just not the result you wanted. So I realized I've been using a lot more dry shampoo, I guess, than I have in the past, and I only wash my hair about once a week, sometimes twice, usually once a week, and then I only heat style it once a week as well. There is so much buildup in my hair. I'm gonna show you, okay, it's very dirty right now. We're literally on day 7. It's filthy and it's just nothing else can happen. No other video can be shot before I do this. So I'm just gonna show you. It is a tragedy right now. So pretty much from like here to here is just buildup. Like no matter what, like I filmed this other video and I literally couldn't even post it because my roots looked wet, even though they weren't, because of how much buildup is in my hair. So we have to take care of this today. Bought some products, we're gonna test them out, we're gonna see if they work, if my hair feels different, if it kind of revives it in the way that I'm really hoping will happen. Because not only do I have the buildup, but also like from here to here is just like dry and sad and angry. So this is the first thing that I bought that I'm gonna use first in the shower. This is from Playa. It's the California Salt Shampoo. It deeply cleanses and soothes scalp. It's tea tree oil and sea salt. Basically, you get 8 fluid ounces and it's pretty heavy. Like it's a thick product, thick with like 1,000 C's. I will say it's not my favorite smell I've ever smelled. I don't know if you can see the texture of it. It's very like scrubby and thick. Because on top of having so much buildup, using dry shampoo is now making my scalp itch like crazy. So I'm hoping that this will kind of help the situation. Now this is sort of shampoo base. However, because I have such a ridiculous amount of buildup, I'm going to go in with another shampoo, and that would be this right here. So this is from Verb. It is their Reset Clarifying Shampoo. Color safe, purifying, deep cleanse and restart. You get 6.8 fluid ounces, no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates. All good things. I believe it's also cruelty free. Also, like the packaging of this is just so fire and pretty. I'm really excited. I haven't gotten a chance to really try out the Verb stuff or really stuff from Playa. So this is just like, this is a great day. So this smells like fresh, clean, definitely nice smelling. Whereas like the tea tree oil one is a little like intense. Where this is very light and like breezy and like really nice. I'm very excited to use this. So I will be following up the scalp scrub with this. Again, like I said, there is so much buildup. It's crazy. I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing that every time, but we'll see how it goes. Obviously that is going to probably dry out my hair quite a bit. So to kind of nourish it, bring it back to life, I have a hair mask. So I'm sure that you have heard of this mask. This is the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Hair Mask. I am so excited because the smell of this, oh, how do I describe this to you? It's like sexual, I don't know. This is what it looks like. It's like a thick white cream. I do not know how to describe the scent of this, but it smells fucking incredible. Oh my god, like I would eat that. Like I would want that in a candle or like a perfume. Like it smells so good. I'm gonna go do all of that in the shower. I'm gonna blow my hair out. I'm gonna come back to you and we're gonna talk about, does my hair feel different? Does it feel better? And then I'm gonna style it and we're gonna test out a styling product. I got this. This is also from Verb. This is their Ghost Oil. It's a smoothing moringa blend and a weightless hair oil, which I am so excited because I've also noticed that, you know, this part of my hair is what holds the curl. I do not have curl from here to here. It just never happens. It's the way it is. It's fine. And I've been noticing it's very, very frizzy. I mean, I definitely need a haircut and all of that, but I'm really hoping that this will kind of help to nourish it back to life. This should be good for fine hair. I'm very excited. Also in this, you get 2 fluid ounces, and it wasn't very expensive either, which was nice. And it's like a restorative oil that revitalizes hair from roots to end. And I think you can put this in before you blow dry your hair, but also after. I'm very excited to try all these things out. I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna bring you in the shower with me, but I will come back, we will discuss afterwards, and we will see what was great, maybe what wasn't. Get a good look of this filthy, disgusting, dry, very, very sad, very long hair. And let's fix it, baby. Oh, Kelvin is here. Kelvin is here to join the party. Also someone that desperately needs a bath. If you guys haven't already, please follow him on Instagram. He's so beautiful and squishy and wonderful. All right, guys, I'm gonna go get in the shower. I will be right back. Okay, I am a new woman. The difference that just made is insane. Wow. I've been living under a rock, clearly, but this feels so much better. I can't even describe it to you. Wow, wow. I am a new woman. Wow. It is like night and day. So much better, way less heavy. She's a little fluffy right now, but this is just the initial blowout. So impressed. Wow, wow. I have no other words other than wow. So you saw my hair when it was greasy, and obviously when it's greasy, it looks a lot darker because that's just how that works. But now I'm looking at the mirror behind the camera. The color of my hair looks 3 times lighter when it's dry. I am shook. So let's talk about the products. I started with the scalp scrub, and at first I thought it was a little bit hard to move through the hair, but that might be a me problem. Only because, like, yes, I have really, really fine hair, but girl, I have a lot of it. There's like a lot of it. So at first, getting it to touch my scalp was a little bit tricky, but once I got it in there, it definitely felt really good, like the scrubbiness of it. You know, the smell, again, very intense, but it did go away as it was like dissolving into my hair, which was nice. It definitely had sort of like a cooling effect, which I also really thought was nice. And after I rinsed it out, which it rinsed really easily and well, it definitely felt clean, like really clean. It didn't feel as squeaky clean as I wanted, but the Verb clarifying shampoo took it to another level. Wow. So again, really clean, fresh smell, sort of like clean laundry is how I would describe it. And none of it really clings to your hair, those scents, which is nice, but that moved through the hair like butter. It was so nice, and it's sulfate free, and I've always used sulfate free shampoos for many, many years. That lathers like nothing I've ever experienced before. Rinsing that out, squeaky clean. Like there was not an ounce of anything left on my hair. Using those 2 in a row, I definitely felt a little drier. Obviously, of course, you're like really intensely cleaning it, but once I used the hair mask, left that in for probably like 10 minutes, solved the problem. The difference in blow drying my hair, holy shit. Even though I do have a lot of hair, I have my blowout system, okay? And it should only take me like 25 minutes to blow dry my entire head of hair. Recently, it's been taking like an hour because there's such a film on my hair that I can't get it actually fully dry. And even when I do get it dry, it still has that film on it. This took me, again, like 25 minutes. It was super easy. It dried really well, dried very easily. It feels so good. So honestly, 10 out of 10 on all of those products. I was really impressed with all of them. They all did what they said they were going to do. And the difference is truly night and day. It's sitting better. It looks so much better. Like the color difference is truly shocking to me. I really like them in combination. Would I use them all together every single time that I clarify? Maybe, maybe not. We'll circle back to this in the future and I'll definitely keep you updated on it. But for right now, I am going to go style my hair. I'm gonna go curl it and I'm gonna test out the Verb Ghost Oil, and we're gonna see if that can kind of take down this fluffiness, this like frizziness here. We'll also see how it holds the curl now as opposed to before with just like all of the buildup and all of the sadness that was my hair an hour ago. So I'm gonna go style it and I'll be right back. And we're back. Hi, hello. Oh my god, I am very happy. I'm just gonna say that. I am really happy with the results. It's definitely still got a little bit of hairiness, a little bit of frizziness, but I will say the Ghost Oil took it down like a lot. My hair has new life. It looks good. It held the curl really well. And keep in mind, I also use a mousse and texture spray while I'm doing my hair because my hair is very hard to curl, but I'm thrilled. I'm so happy. This was a great experiment. I definitely like the Ghost Oil a lot, but I think I need to experiment with like how much I need to actually use. I might need a little bit more, I'm not sure, but I like it. Oh my god, she is a new bitch. So I think that is it for today. I think we accomplished what we came here to accomplish. She needed new life, and boy did she get it. Ooh, I am very happy with the results. I hope this was really helpful for you guys. Hopefully you found something that you've never tried before. If you have tried these things, let me know how they worked out for you. Or if you have other products that are clarifying or mass or really anything like that, leave that down below and I will give it a try. Your girl has a lot of hair and I'm always looking for something to tame it because she is a wild beast. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.